What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Bass Habit TV. I'm glad you guys can join me. Been on the water a few times, had some good trips. We'll talk about that in a little bit. But first, before we get to the video, guys, I want to show you what I've been working on for the past couple months. And it's this bad boy right here. So this one right here is my first glide bait that I've made. I've made a few. Well, I got these other two that I'm working on here. So I've been working on these. It's looking pretty good so far. I haven't got the hinges in it yet, but once I get the hinges in and the hardware on there, put the tails on, and I'll start wading those in, guys. Make sure those are swimming nice. But check out the paint job, guys. I mean, that's my first paint job I've ever done on a bait. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's supposed to be like a gizzard shad, but I mean, did pretty good. Swim nice. It's just the hardware in here is made out of a little softer metal, so kept bending, and I kept having to tune it or whatnot. But that's why you should pick stuff off the floor, guys. Tripping over everything. Got my kayak sitting here. It's my first vibe right here, and my replacement, because this one had a little crack in it. We'll maybe doing a little video on that too later. My little setup here, a little cheap Master brand airbrush, does pretty good. It's not an Iwata, but it does good. It does the job, guys. I'm working on some paints. I got this little bait going on here. This is a 168 S waver. Changing the color on there. It was a bone color. Put a white base on it, and I'm starting to go with the kind of like a sunfish pattern there. But anyways, guys, just wanted to show you what I've been working on. I'm thinking about making a glide bait just like that one right there and giving it away to one of you guys. I appreciate y'all watching, man. You know how I love giving back to you guys, so many more giveaways to come. But with all that said, guys, let's check out the two fish that my buddy Jonathan caught. Giant bass, guys. Giant bass for this type of water. We had an awesome day, guys. Caught lots of fish. Let's check it out. It's kind of straight, I guess. You could go to the left a little. Out of breath, boy. Out of shape. That's what it boils down to. Just beyond this bank here, tons of water with some big bass. See this spot here? This used to have water, guys, all the way across. Excuse me. Trying to catch my breath here, but this thing had water all the way across. We used to get in probably over there and push our way over here. Start paddling right here, but it's all gone. We do what it takes sometimes. Already. Nice. And get them on the board if you're not recording. Little danks. 16. Little danks. Saw him hit it right in front of me. Hey. I'm so angry. Don't try to hook me. I'm gonna let you go. Don't be mad, little dink. Look at Jonathan, probably on his like 20th fish already. He's like on number 30 over there. I'm on number 3. I don't know how many. I think I got like 3 or 4. That's a little bit better. I saw him come out. Oh yeah, that's a nice one. The 2-pounder. Hold on, dog. Hold it. Just bring him up.
Take him ready. Here he comes, here he
Hold
comes.
on, hold on, bring him this way. Bring him over here. Don't let him come on. Right there. Got him, dog.
Oh!
There it is, dog.
Oh! Oh my God. First thing. 7, 8. Let's take a picture of it.
Yeah.
That's a tank, dog.
That's a good one. Put the jump in the boot. All right. All right, come on, baby. Get on the boat. You're right. Great, dude. I don't know where this bass is at. I gotta go get him. Oh my God, look at him. Look at him. Come on. Come on. Alright, I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for all of that. Sorry, bud. That guy just jumped over the damn branch. Down one. This boy got some fight. Oh God. Oh my God. Get in here, baby. Get in here, baby. Possibly a 4. Let's see. Yeah, about 3. 3 pound, 6 ounce on this big girl. Hold on, dog. Hold on, don't. Hold on, dog. I'm coming. I'm gonna scoop him in.
Get your net, please, dog. Please, that's it.
Don't pull him up too high. Don't pull him up too high. In there,
Yes,
bitch.
baby.
Got him, boy. Hell yeah. Yeah, hell yeah, you got that, dog.
Oh my God, bro. That could be $1,000 fish right there, baby. Oh
Yeah, here, let me get untangled here.
That's a fucking tank in there. Look at that. Never see that again. Look at that.
Here, let's get a weight on him.
$8.11. I'll take it. Please
That's
give
a
me
lunker.
fucking 25.
That's a lunker as it is.
It's a lunker as it is. Please, dog. Please. 24, dog.
24, dog.
Take the picture, dog.
24, baby.
F6. Okay. That's it. Oh, it's a 4. All right, I caught the biggest bass of my life. I'll call you back. Love you. Bye. That shit does no justice, dog. Here it is, one last time. Lunker status, 24, 8 pound, 12 ounces. Woo! That's a big dog right there.
Push him that way to the cliff.
There he goes, dog. All right. There you go, big boy. Get out of here.
Well, there you have it, guys. An awesome, epic day of fishing, guys. 2 monster bass in the same day. You don't normally get that, guys, on a fishing trip, but we had an awesome day that day. Appreciate you guys tuning in, man. I thank y'all for watching. I hope y'all enjoy the video. See you on the next one.